Okay, so here I'm using the auto turrets for the first time. Let's see, I got the remote control is the primary weapon, so I thought give him a laser pistol as the secondary. Now we got a big old floater over here, so let's see if we can lure them into the turret fire. Oh, we have to place it on solid ground, do we? Yes, we do. Oh no, why is it pointing that? Oh, can it turn? Okay. Maybe they'll come out of this door. Why are they so low on energy? What? Oh my gosh. Why are you going that way? Okay, let's see. Emilio has it. Oh, there it is. There it is. It's working. Ooh. Did you see that? It shot it. So yeah, of course, they do attack themselves. They do get attacked themselves. But we send all the other guys with weapons, try to lure them into the turret fire, and keep the turret operator back here. Oh, the nest is over here. We should have, oh, hello. Run! Run! Okay, this is kind of an awkward scenario. But, hello? Coming? Here they come. Oh, there it goes. Okay, maybe it's kind of cheating to use the laser weapons at the same time. Oh no, is this running out of energy? Oh, hopefully this, I think the turret, like, automatically replenishes the control, the remote control automatically replenishes the energy. Recharges. Can we get the big guy to come over here? God damn it. Mauricio, no! Hello? I know you're over there. I've seen you. I've seen you with my own eyes. Okay. Maybe we should have set up the turrets here. Oh man. Undeploy and pick up? This might take a while. Oh no, we're running out of oxygen. Oh hey. We don't need the turrets. Look at that damage. Wow. Yeah, these new weapons are crazy good. Oh, can we deploy oxygen tank? How much oxygen does it have? Let's see. Take oxygen. Oh gosh. Oh, Amelia. Oh, we got it. Okay, well. Yeah, it looks like we don't need the auto turrets. Auto turret's something else, but whatever. Hello? Anyone else over here? Hello. Ooh, look at it go. It has a fast rate of fire. No, no lasers, no lasers. Let's just see how it do. Hello. Okay, that's pretty good. Okay. Okay, you can see the auto turrets did damage on its own before we use the lasers. Oh, here we go. Yeah, that's pretty good. Of course, having the auto turrets soak up the damage that's done and use it as bait. That's good on its own. Pew. Okay, nice. Anyone else? You want some of this? Oh, whoops. Ah, run. Shoot him. Yeah, that's decent damage, right? It's a different kind of weapon, too, than the other handheld weapons we use. It's got a fast rate of fire. It's got everything. Okay. Can you put the other turret over here? Oh my gosh. Oh, if it weren't for these laser weapons, we'd be fucked. Oh, here he comes. This is bad. Run! Mauricio, no. Oh, it destroyed. Oh, the turret's still there. Okay, cool. Shoot the thing. Oh man. Why? Okay, do we have another oxygen? Nice. Oh, well, this is convenience. And the oxygen tank has enough oxy for 4 people too. Pew! Damn, one good shot from... Oh, let's see how good this does on its own. Never mind. Oh, it's just got a whole other nest over here. Ah, gosh. Okay. Ooh, nice. Okay, let's see what this do now. Yeah, see, it's worth it just to soak up the damage alone. Emilio, go pick up these guys. I wonder if they get back to full health. Oh gosh. Huh? It stopped working? Inactive. Did it take too much damage? Oh. No, it's just not being used. Oh? Oh, is it because the operator was busy? Oh, look! The oxygen tank. They're attacking the oxygen tank! Okay, that's cool. Good to know. They'll do that. Okay, my dudes are running low on energy, so... Looks like it's time to head back. But, craft drafted for a long time, yeah. We used up 2 oxygen tanks. So yeah. Even with extra oxygen tanks. And 1 person can carry 3 oxygen. Oh wow, it's dinner time. I didn't even notice. Okay. Hopefully we can make it back in time for dinner. Yeah. With those oxygen tanks, then the limiting factor becomes how long can your crew stay there before they start to get tired and just collapse. Oh, we should have put on body armor too. Hey, we're back. We killed a bunch of aliens. Hey, what's up? Back and better than ever. Oh, just in time to go to sleep. You can eat. You can guys eat some dinner, right? Oh, they're just cheering on the video gamers. Oh well. Oh no, our mental cases are increasing. Healing boosted. Nice. Wait, boosted by what? Oh, right. Charity, Loris, Walt. Who's Loris? Oh, right. Okay. So, those guys were equipped with plasma rifles, I believe. So, yeah, plasma rifles, solid weapon. I guess laser rifles are more accurate because like they don't have any recoil, I guess. But yeah, I think plasma rifles do more solid damage, are more reliable when it comes to damage. Because look, God damn it. Okay, 24 to 50. The minimum is 24, which is still pretty reliable. 40 to 60, 6 to 24, 12 to 40. Okay. Yep, minor mental breakdown. He's just refusing to work. Okay, it's a minor mental breakdown. Okay. Yep, it's getting late. Well, it's fun playing with turrets for the first time. And, yeah. I'll see y'all later. Good night.